How are cryptocurrency transactions validated? Recall that blockchains are distributed databases where all the transactions executed on a crypto network are recorded permanently. Every block of transactions is linked together chronologically in the order the transactions were validated. Because it is impossible to set up a central authority or bank to manage blockchains, crypto transactions are validated by nodes, computers connected to a blockchain. So the question is, how do these networks ensure that node operators are willing to partake in the validation process? The only way to guarantee there will always be individuals willing to invest their time and computers in a blockchain's validation system is to introduce incentives to do so. With incentives, validators are encouraged to participate actively and honestly in the validation process to earn rewards in the form of newly minted, created, cryptocurrencies. This incentive system sets the rules that govern the process of picking validators who would, in turn, verify the next batch of transactions. It also ensures that the activities of the validators align with the goal of the network as a whole. Validator nodes found to be involved in actions that undermine the validity of the crypto network can be barred from taking part in subsequent validation processes or punished accordingly. These incentive infrastructures are also known as consensus protocols. There is a wide range of consensus protocols being used by existing blockchain networks. The two most common ones are Proof of Work, POW. This incentive system is a computer-intensive consensus protocol that requires validators, known as miners, to compete using expensive equipment in order to generate a winning code that grants them the right to add a new block of transactions to the blockchain. Once they add a new block of transactions to the blockchain, miners receive newly minted cryptocurrencies known as block rewards as incentives. Any fees attached to the transactions they include in the new block is also given to the successful miner. Crypto networks that rely on POW mechanisms include Bitcoin, Dogecoin and Litecoin. Proof of Stake, POS. This is a less energy-intensive alternative to the POW protocol. Here, node operators don't need to spend a considerable amount on specialized mining equipment. All they need to do is deposit, or lock away, a particular amount of coins on the blockchain to show their commitment to the well-being of the network. The protocol then picks randomly from the pool of nodes that have staked their funds and assigns them different tasks. For their troubles, the protocol rewards successful validators with newly minted crypto tokens. Crypto networks that use this system include Cardano, Ethereum 2.0 and Polkadot. Why is proof of work important? The first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was created by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008. Nakamoto published a famous white paper describing a digital currency based on proof of work protocols that would allow secure peer-to-peer transactions without the involvement of a centralized authority. One of the issues that had prevented the development of an effective digital currency in the past was called the double spend problem. Cryptocurrency is just data, so there needs to be a mechanism to prevent users from spending the same units in different places before the system can record the transactions. While you'd have a hard time spending the same dollar bill on two separate purchases, anyone who's duplicated a computer file by copying and pasting can probably imagine how you could spend digital money twice, even 10 times or more. Nakamoto's consensus mechanism solved the double spend problem. By incentivizing miners to verify the integrity of new crypto transactions before adding them to the distributed ledger that is blockchain, proof of work helps prevent double spending. If you're interested, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.